Hey everybody, it's Jack, and today's Tuesday, July 29th. I wanted to bring you a market update video, one that you can really use. Now, what I like to do before I make a trade is check the three broad market indices. That way I can use a market-driven approach, meaning that if all three indices are bullish, I'm going to trade bullish. If they're all three bearish, I'm going to trade bearish. It's just that simple. But I found in my research that you can improve the odds of success on every trade by about 85% simply by trading in the same direction as the broad market. That's why a broad market driven strategy, whatever it is, it has to match the broad market. So here's SPY. It's making a new 52-week high. It's above all three trend points. Got a really nice trend, although the daily bars are getting kind of narrow, and that's meaning we could see a little pullback right there. But here's back in Liberation Day, right, where they threw the baby out with the bathwater and sold everything because nobody knew what a tariff was. Now, that was crazy. But we're back into bullish territory, so we'll take a look at QQQ. Looks great, right? Looks really good. And then we look last at DIA. Now, that looks pretty good too. Not as aggressive as QQQ or SPY, but all three are bullish. Now, we were talking this morning on another show about trying to find a bottom in a stock like Tesla, which when it doesn't have a trend, which like right now, it's just grinding sideways, there's no compelling reason to trade it. Right? Remember in high school, you learned about opportunity cost. If you buy one thing, you're giving up the opportunity that something else may be better. So Tesla is not a trade that there's nothing about it unless it makes a sharp move and we get the signal on that one. But if you look at some of these others that people are trying to make a trade out of, it's just not happening. You see here, there's no reason to trade this kind of a stock, right? You always want something that's trending higher because if you've got that trend, you can do so much more. You can buy the stock, you could sell, and it'll go higher. You can buy the stock and sell covered calls. You can look at the trend on ATI. That's beautiful. You can do naked puts right here, right below support, make a ton of money. Credit spreads, this is perfect for a bull put spread. So many more things you could do. Now, here's one of my favorites, AVGO. You know I'm loving this one. I'm all over it. This is my second largest position. But when you have a trend like this, you don't need to try to find a bottom in something else. And that's what's weird to me right now. There's so many people trying to find bottoms in stocks that, like this one. Where's the bottom? Who knows? Why wouldn't you be better off trading something to the uptrend like this, where you're just jumping on an already moving train? So what I'm saying is the broad market is bullish. Make it simple for yourself by getting a bullish stock, one that's in a great trend. That way you can do so much more rather than waiting for a turnaround or trying to pick a bottom. Just go with the flow, jump on the already moving train, take your profit, sell it, rinse and repeat, keep doing it. That's the way to make money in this market. And you got to be an option seller. I'm going to talk about that next, but stay tuned.